Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making chinchin. So here I have my 2 kg of sieved flour. That's 16 cups of measuring cup. So we'll go in to sieve other ingredients. We'll go in with 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and sieve that right in. Then we'll go in with 1.5 cup of sugar. We'll mix that. Now we'll add our butter, 250 grams of butter. Mix that together. We'll mix, combine each and every one together until we don't see the yellowish butter anymore. It's going to look like crumbs of bread. Then we'll get a neat bowl, going into 1 egg. Mix that together. Then we'll go in with 1 tablespoon of industrial milk flavor, 2 tablespoons of vanilla flavor, 1 cup of milk. Then you mix that together. Now we'll get our dry ingredients. Make a hole at the middle, at the center, and pour in our wet ingredient and mix together. And you go into your water little by little. Just keep adding the water little by little until it stops sticking to your hands. You can see how I'm adding my water little by little here. I'm mixing it together. So this is the thick consistency we're actually going for. Now that everything has combined together, we've mixed everything together, we've gotten the consistency we want. You can now transfer to our work surface and knead very well till it is smooth. You have a food processor that can do the mixing for you. So you get your rolling pin or this police stick that I have here. So you cut out the amount you want and roll it flat. Not so flat, but yeah, roll it flat. cut out the rough edges so you can have fine edges. Use your pizza cutter to cut out into the shape and size you want, just like so. You can decide to separate it if you want to, or just pack it and toss it into the hot oil. It's going to separate by itself in the hot oil, and your chinchin is ready. So try to take it out before it gets golden brown, and you will get a perfect color just like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.